Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Inehub YouTube channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of crypto. Today, we've got some exciting news to share with you. KuCoin, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges, has just announced the listing of a brand new token on their World Premiere platform. And guess what? It's called DIN. Let's dive into the details. If you don't already have a KuCoin account, sign up through our link and get free trading signals and more. So, what is DIN? Well, it's a brand new project making its debut on KuCoin's World Premiere, a platform known for spotlighting innovative and promising tokens. The listing is a big deal because it gives DIN immediate exposure to KuCoin's massive global user base. This could be a game changer for the project. Here's what you need to know. The trading pair for DIN will be DIN USDT. Deposits are already open, so you can start moving your funds into your KuCoin account. Trading officially begins on February 14th, 2025 UTC, so mark your calendars. And don't forget, withdrawals will open shortly after trading starts. Now, here's a pro tip for all of you. If you're not already on KuCoin, you can use the referral code when signing up. Not only will you get access to this exciting new listing, but you'll also enjoy some fantastic benefits through KuCoin's referral program. It's a win-win. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to KuCoin, check out DIN, and get ready to trade. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Inehub YouTube channel for more crypto updates like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.